My name is Diana Brulard and I'm the managing partner of Dream Spa Medical. I wanted to send out a message to all of our lovely clients and all of our friends out there and let you know that we miss you so much. We have been closed for a little over 6 weeks now, and we are really excited to come back and see all of you and continue to provide the excellent service that we have been accustomed to providing for you. No doubt this is an unprecedented and very difficult time for a lot of people, and we empathize with everyone who is struggling out there right now. But I just do want to let you know that we are working behind the scenes at Dream Spa Medical to create a safe environment for our patients and for our staff. Our number one priority is patient and staff safety. So our protocol that we came up with for a safe reopening that is tentatively planned currently for May 18th can be found on our website at www.dreamspamedical.com. And I just also want to take the time to thank all of the medical professionals and all of the essential workers out there that have been going in throughout this whole pandemic and just providing all of the necessary services to our community and to our state. Thank you so much to all of you, and we really look forward to seeing you soon. We'll follow up with another video when we are close to reopening to give you some details about our reopening procedures. Thank you so much, and talk soon.